Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. I'm going to show you some of the new products on my right hand. For this unit is a ceiling mount styling, the walk-in freezer units, and all-in-one combined together. So let me give you the overall dimensions first. This unit is about like a 27.5 inches in the length. For the major body depth, it is about like a 38.5 inches. For the front cover of the fan, it is about like a 3 1/4 inches deep. And the diameters of this cover, it is like a 30.5 inches. For the front, this height is about like a 50.5 inches tall. And we can looking from this grill, the inner side, we can see they have a lot of coppers and the compressor systems and also the coils inside. And looking down, they have a drain pipe connections. And also we do have the ETL sanitation sticker on the machines. They give you all the car sheets informations. And by the way, the unit is about like a 1.5 horsepower for these units. And looking at the back of the units, they complete the flat surface. On the bottom, they have additional fan systems with the fan covers on the too. And for this backside overall height, include the fan covers together, it is almost about like a 23 1/4 inches tall. And also we can see they have a power system on the side. When we take out the green pipes, this is the power connections. We can see this one using the single phase and 220 powers. And the manufacturers give you a control box. When you open the plastic covers, we can see they do have a couple manual buttons right here, settings and defrosting and the lights, and also having the adjust the temperatures and the power off. And they give you a thermometer display on it too. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us.